In this video, we'll explain factors influencing price elasticity of demand and significance of price elasticity of demand. A change in price does not always lead to the same proportion change in demand. For example, a small change in price of air conditioner may affect its demand to a considerable extent, whereas large change in price of salt may not affect its demand. So elasticity of demand is different for different goods. Let us know what are the various factors which affect the elasticity of demand for a commodity. Number one, nature of commodity. A commodity for a person may be a necessity, a comfort, or a luxury. When a commodity is a necessity, like food grains, vegetables, medicines, textbooks, and uniform for students, etc., its demand is inelastic, as its demand does not fluctuate much with the change in price. When a commodity is comfort, like fan, refrigerator, cooler, sofa, etc., its demand is generally moderately elastic, as consumer can postpone its consumption. Finally, when a commodity is a luxury like air conditioner, car, gold jewelries, etc., its demand is generally highly elastic as consumer purchases more when there is small decrease in price. Second factor is postponement of consumption. The commodity whose consumption can easily be postponed has more elastic demand, and the commodity whose demand cannot easily be postponed has less elastic. For example, commodities like biscuits, soft drinks, etc., whose demand is not urgent, have highly elastic demand, as their consumption can be postponed in case of a small rise in price. However, commodities with urgent demand, like life-saving drugs, have inelastic demand because they are immediate requirement. Even if their price rises, their demand will not fall. Availability of substitutes. Demand for a commodity with large number of substitutes like toothpaste, bath soaps, cold drinks, etc. will be more or highly elastic, as a small rise in price will induce the buyers to go for its substitute goods. On the other hand, commodities with a few or no substitutes like wheat, salt, water, electricity, etc. have inelastic or less price elasticity of demand. Proportion of expenditure. These goods on which consumer spends a very small fraction of his total expenditure, like matchbox, alpines, salt, shoe polish, etc., have inelastic demand. On the other hand, elasticity will be greater with regard to those goods on which consumer spends a large portion of his total expenditure. Number of uses. If a commodity has many alternative uses like electricity, packaged milk, etc., its demand is highly elastic, and if the good has only limited uses, demand is inelastic. For example, when the price of a commodity increases, which can be put to several uses, then it is generally put to less important purposes, leading to increase in its quantity demanded. On the other hand, the commodities which have limited uses When its price rises, consumers use these commodities only for important purpose or urgent purpose, leading to fall in its quantity demanded. Time period. Elasticity of demand varies directly with the time period. Demand is generally inelastic in short period because consumers find it difficult to change their habits. In short period, in order to respond to a change in the price of the commodity. However, demand is more elastic in the long run as it is comparatively easier to shift to other substitutes if the price of given good rises. Habits and fashion. If a consumer has become habitual for a particular commodity, like habitual necessities, drugs, alcohol, tobacco, cigarettes, etc., its demand is inelastic, as change in price will not cause much effect on its demand. Income level. Elasticity of demand is less in case of consumers having either a very high income or very low income. The demand for middle income consumer is more elastic. Level of price. Very expensive and very low price products have inelastic demand, whereas medium range price goods have elastic demand. Now let us see the importance of price elasticity of demand. Significance in international trade. In order to fix prices of the goods to be exported, it is important to have knowledge about the elasticity of demand for such goods. A country may fix higher prices for the products with inelastic demand. If in the foreign countries the goods have inelastic demand, then the home country can fix high price for such goods. However, if demand for such goods in the importing country is elastic, then the exporting country will have to fix lower prices. So the concept of price elasticity of demand is also shows the trend of international trade. For example, if in India the goods which are imported mostly in elastic demand in foreign countries and imported all those goods which have elastic demand in India, in such a case the balance of trade can be favorable. Formulation of government policies. The concept of price elasticity of demand is important for formulating government policies, especially the taxation policy. Government can impose higher taxes on goods with inelastic demand and can collect more revenue, whereas low rate of taxes are imposed on commodities with elastic demand. So if the government purpose is to increase the revenue, then it can impose high rate of tax on the goods which have inelastic demand. Factor pricing. Price elasticity of demand helps in determining price to be paid to the factors of production. Share of each factor in the national product is determined in proportion to its demand in the productive activity. If the demand for a particular factor is inelastic as compared to the other factors, then it will attract more rewards. Decision of monopolist. A monopolist considers the nature of demand while fixing price of his product. If demand for the product is elastic, then monopolist has to fix low price. However, if demand is inelastic, then he is in a position to fix high price. Paradox of poverty amidst plenty. A bumper crop, instead of bringing prosperity to farmers, brings poverty. This is called the paradox of poverty amidst plenty. It happens due to inelastic demand for most of the agricultural products. When supply of crops increases as a result of rich harvest, their prices drastically fall due to inelastic demand. As a result, their total income goes down. These are the questions from this topic mentioning three factors that affect the price elasticity of demand for a commodity. How is price elasticity of demand is affected by number of substitutes available for the good, nature of the good. Explain the significance of elasticity of demand. That is the importance of demand. Elasticity of demand. How is the concept of price elasticity of demand helpful in determining the price of a commodity, in determining tax, in determining the price of a commodity in a monopolist? What do you mean by the term the paradox of poverty amidst plenty? That's all. Thank you.